What's up, my beautiful people of YouTube? This is your boy SEMO-MAC, and I am back at it again. So, I had something really cool come to me a couple days ago, and I want to share it with y'all. And yes, this is actually brought to you by a company called HX Outdoors. And this is the box that it comes in. And no, it's not a knife like everybody thinks that it is. It's kind of close, but it's not a knife. So what this is a... Oh, I can't get it to do it. There we go. It is a foldable hatchet slash axe slash hammer slash all kinds of stuff, and that's what we're going to go over. So yes, you do get this right here, and this is this nice little joker. You get your manual, you get this nice little kind of like a little knife that has their website and all that good stuff on there. It's made out of cardboard, so you got all that good stuff on there. You get this awesome micro fiber knife. It's got their logo on there as well. So, and yeah, if y'all can hear the fans, I do apologize. It is a heater in here today. In Missouri, we've got a heat wave like I don't know what. So, but hey, so this is the product, and this thing is beefy. And don't go away, because I'm going to be using this thing towards the end of this video, and y'all want to stick around for that. Also, hey, if y'all like stuff like this and you haven't subscribed yet, y'all need to, okay? Y'all know when I bring stuff out, you subscribe, it's like, ping, hey, SEMO-MAC's got another video out. There you go. So, here's our review on this. So this is the folding hatchet slash axe slash hammer slash all kinds of stuff. And here it is. First, before we go to all of this, so it is pretty much compact and portable. This will fit in any type of backpack or anything like that. Your handles right here, as you can see, it is made out of G10. Very comfortable. They are not slick at all, I can tell you that right now. These are really nice. You also have, I've got oil all over me. This right here, as you can see, that is their little locking mechanism. So if I pull this back, as you see, this does not come out. You cannot get it to come out. That's their little safety on here. Pull it forward, then this will actually come out. To actually make it go to fold back down, you've got two little levers on the sides here, little pins. You pull it down, just like almost like your, now kind of like a button lock on your knives. Pull that down, lets it drop. This stuff right here, y'all, God, it's awesome. So your hatchet part right here, as you can see the hatchet on there. So let's just give you a nice little overview of this. Right there. So this right here is, it's made out of DC53 steel. It's got a black titanium coating on it. The edge of it, it's not sharp. And I honestly, for what this is, I don't think you really want it real sharp, but I mean, it ain't like it's a razor edge or anything like that. And the reason why I say that is if you look at how the profile of this, of how thick that is, see how it comes down to the point? This is made for like pretty much like a hatchet and for splitting and stuff like that. You probably sharpen up that end of it, but I mean, really, for what you're going to use it for, I mean, as long as it's got a good straight edge on there, this is going to be a chopper, and we're going to find out towards the end of this video. Since it's made out of the D53 steel and it's got the actual black titanium coating on there, this is great for superior edge retention, any corrosive resistance. Any of that, it's awesome for that. Like I said, you do have your dual. You see right now I can't do anything there. It's locked right here on your little pins. Just for safety measures, you can also, I mean, this lock right here doesn't do anything for you. That's just mainly for when you push it down and then hit your lock, and then that's it. But this locks it in place. And this is so as you're using it, it doesn't fold on you and you could have an accident with it. So I really like how HX Outdoors actually done that. So give y'all another good look at this right here. I just think it's really awesome, y'all. I think this is a really cool concept. I really like it. The feel in the hand is very comfortable. You can kind of run it two ways. If your hand's right here, if you need a little bit up on here, have you got some stippling right through there, so it gives you a good, you know, you can sit there and really go at it if you need to. You know, like I said, you got your textured G10 handles. They're very comfortable. What I really would like to see is when we start, we've got a little tree outside that we're going to go out there here in a little bit, and I'm going to whack away on it. I want to see if there's any, like, a lot of reverb on this or not. So like I said, the things that you do, it is a hatchet or an axe, however you want to call it. You also have a hammer right here, as y'all can see that. You know, this is great. It does have some texture on here as well, but this right here is great for, like, if you're camping, tent stakes, or I mean even just using it as a hammer. And that is another reason why I feel, I could be wrong, that the end of this is not razor sharp, because if you're hammering with this, you don't want to come back and slice yourself. I mean, let's just be honest. So the design of this is really great. I love how it's done. This right here, as you can see, as it pops up right underneath the hammer, that is actually a bottle opener. I wish I had a bottle with me, because I would have definitely opened it for you. But that's also what this is. I mean, there is also, if I'm not mistaken, let me close this. So this also can be if I lock this also can be a nail puller. You can put your nail right in here, the head of it, and pop up. So that's another thing for this on there. And I don't know if I can do this or not. So I'm going to stand up for this, and all you're going to see is this right here. But how you can open this is unlock it here, and then you can flip it out. But for some reason, I can't get it to do that. Oh, I'm sorry. You got to flip down. There we go. That was cool. So we're going to do that again. So instead of flipping out, you go down. So if we, right there it is. Ha! That's so freaking sweet. I like it. So yeah, here we are. You know, they kind of gave this like a tactical look as well, which I think is really cool, because it advertises as a tactical and a survival ready, you know. So it's like, I love it. I love the concept. This is really designed for campers, bushcrafters, survivalists, stuff like that. You know, your blade is roughly 7.4 millimeters is what it is. That's the thickness. It's very robust. You know, it says that it can process wood with no problem. And if you think about it, it can, because, you know, if you're splitting here, but if you actually had a big log, you had this down, you're not having to hit like a you know, bush knife, hit on the spine on there. You actually have a hammer that you can hit on the back end of right here. So you can hit it down that way. So you got a bigger surface area to where you could split wood with this. And the angle at which this comes out right here, the thickness of it, yeah, you're going to split wood with no problem on that. You know, this thing literally weighs just over a pound. It is, they actually do it in ounces, if I'm not mistaken. It's like, no, what was it? In grams. That's what it was. It was like 614 grams is what this was weighed at. And when you do the conversion from the grams to pounds, it's literally 1.3 pounds is what this weighs. And that is literally nothing at all. So, so yeah, so that's going over this. I'm going to pause just for a little bit. I'm going to go outside and we're going to do some hammering on this. So when next time you see me here, we're going to be outside and we're going to be jacking up some wood is what we're going to do. So I will be right back with you. Whoo, y'all. That was some whacking done out there. Let me tell you. But as y'all can see, I nailed 2 nails into the wood and I chopped away at it. And as you can see on here, there's not really much on that finish. You see a little, like some little wood marks, but honestly, I could probably wet that with a rag and just wipe that off. But like I said before, this thing did not have to be razor sharp to cut that wood out there. So, so yeah, this thing's awesome, y'all. I really do like it. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to say it. Y'all know what's coming. Yeah, this is definitely SEMO-MAC approved. Right up there. Yes, it is. So, whew. SEMO-MAC worked up a sweat out there. So yeah, I like it. I think so far from what I've dealt with HX Outdoors, HX Outdoors, get that out right. They make some quality stuff. I really do like it. So here's the last look at it, y'all, right here. This is an amazing, I'm gonna call it a folding hatchet slash axe slash hammer slash bottle opener slash nail puller. There we go. Thumbs up on that one. So hey y'all, if you are interested in this, I will drop a link in my description for this thing. I highly suggest y'all go out there and take a look at this. Price wise, I'm not gonna lie, it's up there. It's a little bit, but hey, I'm gonna be honest with you, for everything it does and the build of this thing's built like a tank. That's just all there is to it. This is built like a tank. When I was sitting there chopping that wood out there on that tree stump out there, I had no reverb in this at all. There was none at all. So they're running it on there for 120 bucks. I'm going to be honest with you, for something like this to take camping, have it in your backpack, take it on your UTV, and having the multiple things you can do with it, 120 bucks ain't bad for it at all. Not at all. So like I said, I'll drop the link down in my description, and if you want it, click on it, it'll take you straight to it. And as always, y'all, this is SEMO-MAC, hoping y'all are truly being kind out there in the world, and I hope you're having a great day. This is SEMO-MAC, and I am out. Peace. Peace.